Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the battery type and voltage, so you use the right settings. This matters because charging profiles differ. Once done, shut off the inverter and mains to avoid sparks and put on safety gear. Now connect the positive clamp to the battery positive and the negative to negative. Make sure clamps bite clean metal. You should see no sparks. If terminals are corroded, clean them first. Make sure cables are routed safely away from moving parts and hot surfaces. You now set the inverter or charger to the proper mode and limit so charging is effective and safe. For example, choose bulk first to quickly restore charge, then absorption to finish. Set 14. 4V for many 12V lead-acid batteries, with current limited to 10-30% of battery Ah. Once configured, enable charging and watch the display for volts and amps. Make sure the battery stays cool if it overheats. Reduce current or pause charging. Keep an eye on connections for loosening. You finish charging by switching to float when voltage stabilizes and current drops. This prevents overcharging. Make sure to turn off the inverter or charger before removing clamps. Disconnect negative first, then positive. If battery won't hold charge, test with a load meter or measure specific gravity on lead-acid cells to detect sulfation. If the inverter trips during charging, immediately check for reversed polarity, loose clamps, or activation of safety cutoff. Remedy wiring faults and retry at reduced current. Always document charge voltages and times for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.